So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see me? Yeah. Do you see how I'm wearing glasses? Why don't we draw my glasses together? Yeah. All right, they're pretty hard to draw, but I think you got this. First, let's start with a long straight line. There we go, for the top. And then 2 bubbles, half circles. There we go. Perfect. And then you have to draw the arms. Yeah, that's what holds them onto your face, your ears. All right, there we go, a little hook. Perfect. And then 1 over here. Whoa, wow, don't those look good? Yeah. Well, since they're my glasses, maybe we can color them in with orange. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Whoa, I love drawing and coloring, and I love my glasses. Whoa. Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like playing outside during the day? I do too, but I have a question for you. What's that big circle thing in the sky that's really bright and really hot? Yeah, it's the sun. Maybe you and I could draw the sun today together. All right, since it's a circle, let's start by drawing a circle. Here we go. Perfect. And then these light rays shine out from the side. So let's draw those. It's like a bunch of U's. Yeah, see that? Whoa, it's so shiny. Whoa, there we go. And since playing outside is so much fun and happy, maybe we could make the sun have some sunglasses since it's so bright, and a smiley face because playing outside is so much fun. Whoa! Oh, let's connect those lenses. Well, if you like drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Keep playing outside. Bye-bye. I was just acting like a bear. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Speaking of a bear, why don't we draw a bear together? Wow, bears are so cute. They're cuddly, ooh, like a teddy bear. But bears in the wild you want to stay away from. All right, first let's draw a circle for the head. There we go. And then an oval for the body. Ooh, and then, yeah, for the nose right there. Ooh, and another circle for the eye. Ooh, and a button nose. There we go. Oh, doesn't that start to look like a bear right now? Yeah, and then for the body, ooh, and 1 arm right there, a leg, another leg, and the arm. Wow. Oh, can't forget about the 2 cute little ears up there. Wasn't this fun drawing a bear with me? Yeah, I love drawing with you. If you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Caw. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bird. Caw. A stork, to be exact. Yeah, storks are really big birds, and they have really big beaks. Why don't we draw a stork together? Okay, here we go. Let's draw a big marker, and then start with the head. There we go. Whoa, and the body, a little squiggle. And right here. Wow, it's starting to look like a bird. Yeah. First, let's draw the big long bill. Yeah, it's kind of like a triangle, right? And then, here we go. And the eyeball. There we go. But you can't forget about the legs. 2 legs with cute feet, just like that. And then the wing. That's how they fly. Ooh, and then sometimes, yeah, in stories, they can carry babies. Cool. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye. Caw-caw-caw. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we draw a lizard together? Wow, lizards are so cool. Yeah, it's an animal and it's a reptile, and they live on every continent on planet Earth, except for Antarctica. Whoa. All right, first let's start with the head. All right, here we go. Whoa, what kind of shape does that look like? Kind of looks like a pentagon. Yeah, and then the body. Oh, there we go. Ooh, and then the tail way over here. Whee! Whoa! How does that look? And what's it missing? Yeah, it's 4 limbs. One right here. One right here. One right here. And one right here. Oh, and we can't forget the eyes and the nostrils and the tongue. There we go. Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Happy birthday! Yeah! Hey, it's me, Blippi. And since it's someone's birthday out there, why don't we draw a birthday cake together? Whoa, I love birthday parties. They're so much fun. Yeah, because big group of people get together around the cake, they sing happy birthday, and then whoever's birthday it is, they blow out the candles. Whoa, and then you get to eat the cake. So yummy. So let's draw a straight line, and then the first layer of the cake. There we go. And then let's draw the second layer of the cake. Oh, this is gonna be a big, tasty cake. Ooh, and let's draw 3 small rectangles. Yeah, these are the candles because this person is turning 3 years old. Ooh, and can't forget about the little flames up top. There we go. So then they can blow them out. But we're not done yet. We need some icing. Yum! Wow. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have something really fun for us to draw together today. Let's draw a castle. There's a lot of rectangles on this one. So first, let's draw a sideways rectangle like that. There we go. And then a rectangle, a really tall one right in the middle. And then a shorter one on this side. Whoa, look at that. And then a shorter one on this side right here. Whoa, and then we can draw a nice triangle right up top on all 3 of these. Whoa, it's starting to look like a castle, right? Oh, and you can't forget about the drawbridge. There we go. Whoa, and then let's draw a little flag up top. Whoa, there we go. Cool, and let's draw some windows right there. Whoa, do you like that castle? I do too. I would love to live in a castle. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make